please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Market turmoil has been a key topic of conversation at the World Government Summit, which has been underway in Dubai over the weekend. CNBC's Hadley caught up with the IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde, who welcomed the US market pullback.
There has been quite a bit of market volatility from one day to the other and across the world, particularly led by the US. But if you compare valuation, from a week ago, there has been a market correction of anywhere between 6 to 9%, which frankly, given where asset prices were very high, it's, in our view, a welcome correction. And we have observed certainly that despite the volatility, the market channels and pipes and mechanisms have worked well. And we also see that the financing is still plenty and very much available for the financing of the economy. So, corrections happen, they were due to happen, and that's where we see it.
Talk to me a little bit about this region specifically. We've seen oil prices have gone down around 60 and even lower, and there are a lot of questions about whether or not these governments are going to continue to implement the reforms that they say are necessary, and the IMF says are necessary for them to diversify their economies. Are you concerned at all?
These countries have gone through a massive transition. Those that were exporting oil have clearly seen a big drop in their growth rates. It's even the case here in the Emirates, which are partly diversified, particularly out of Dubai. But those economies have to transition from an oil-fed economy to a more diversified, more inclusive and reformed economy, where the private sector is going to have to provide jobs, invest in the countries, provided, of course, that the circumstances are friendly for them, and where the response cannot be about, there will be more public sector jobs, because the fiscal position of those governments will simply not allow that response, which was, traditional in the past. So new economic models. Some countries are a little bit ahead of the game. Others are working on their reforms, but certainly we will be seeing different countries in a few years' time, given where the price of oil is likely to head.